Hey, guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to share with you some of my best travel beauty tips to help you look and feel your best while on the go. Keeping your skin hydrated and healthy while traveling is crucial. Bring travel-sized versions of your favorite cleanser, moisturizer, and serum to keep your skin glowing. When it comes to makeup, keep it simple. Bring multi-purpose products like a tinted moisturizer, bronzer, and lip balm to create a natural, effortless look. Maintaining healthy hair while traveling can be a challenge. Pack dry shampoo, hair masks, and easy hairstyles to keep your hair looking fresh and healthy. Protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays is essential. Pack travel-friendly sunscreen and hats to keep your skin safe. Staying hydrated is important for both your skin and overall health. Pack a reusable water bottle and hydrating facial mist to keep your skin and body hydrated throughout your trip. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more beauty and travel tips.